Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mittu Sir Classes. Now I am going to discuss about the committees and commissions. Committees and committees. Today's class is committees and commissions. New Education Policy 2020. First one is the New Education Policy 2020. The new education policy. The new education policy was announced by the HRD minister. The new education policy was announced by the HRD minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. HRD minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on July 29, 2020. On the date July 29, 2020, under the chairpersons of ISRO chiefs K. Kasturirangan or ISRO Indian Space Research Organizations. In ISRO's chief K. Kasturirangan prepared the draft of the National Educational Policy 2020 on May 2019 on the date of 2019 May 2019. The new education policy. The new education policy announced by the HRD ministers Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank announced the policy of a new education on July 29, 2020. Okay. Under the chairpersons of ISRO Indian Space Research Organizations, Chief K. Kasturirangan prepared the draft of the National Education Policy. Policy 2020 on May 2019. Okay. Next one. Under the new education policy, the 5+3+3+4. Under the new education policy, 5+3+3+4 model will be implemented. This model will be implemented. The new model was implemented is 5+3+3+4 model is implemented in the place of the currently active models 10+2. जो अभी मॉडल चलता है वो है 10+2 मॉडल. न्यू मॉडल कौन हुआ 5+3+3+4. ये न्यू मॉडल. Himachal Pradesh was the first state. Himachal Pradesh was the first state to implement the new education policy 2020. Himachal Pradesh was the first state to implement the new education policy 2020. Okay. Next one is Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is constituted by the government of India. Niti Aayog is constituted by the government of India on January 1, 2015. Which has been created in place of planning commission. जो प्लानिंग कमीशन को हटाकर न्यू पॉलिसी जो आया नीति आयोग आ गया. नीति आयोग इज constituted by the government of India on January 1, 2015 में हुआ था. Which have been created in the place of the planning commission. Okay. Full form of the Niti Aayog. National Institute for Transforming India. National Institute for Transforming India. National Institute for Transforming India. Full form of Niti Aayog is National Institute for Transforming India. Okay. Next one is Niti Aayog is headed by the Prime Minister. Prime Minister नीति आयोग को हेड पर्सन और चेयरपर्सन होता है प्राइम मिनिस्टर. Prime Minister is the head of the Niti Aayog. Next one, the deputy chairman of the Niti Aayog. Arvind Pangaria who is the deputy chairman of the Niti Aayog. Deputy chairman of the Niti Aayog is Arvind Pangaria. Okay. Next one is CEO of the Niti Aayog. Chief Executive Officer. CEO, Chief Executive Officer of the Niti Aayog, Sindhushree Khular, Chief Executive Officer of the Niti Aayog, Sindhushree Khular. Sindhushree Khular was the Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog. Next one is the section 370 and 35A. Next one is the section 370 and 35A. First one is on August 11, 2019. On August 11, 2019, the government abolished, the Indian government abolished the special status of the Jammu and Kashmir in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. On August 11, 2019, the government of India abolished the special status of the in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, next one is clause 1 of the three sections of the Article 370. Article 370 is still in force. Clause 1 of the three sections of the Article 370 is still in force. Next one is at the time of abrogations or abolished, the Article 370, the governor of Jammu Kashmir was Satyapal Malik. The last governor of Jammu Kashmir, Satyapal Malik. At the time of abrogations or abolished, the Article 370, the governor of the Jammu and Kashmir, Satyapal Malik, the last governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Next one is on August 5, 2019. On August 5, 2019, the Home Minister Amit Shah introduced the Jammu and Kashmir recognition bills. On August 5, 2019, Home Minister Amit Shah introduced the Jammu Kashmir Reorganizations Bill 2019 to Jammu Kashmir Reorganizations Bill 2019 to remove Article 370. In the Rajya Sabha. Amit Shah introduced the remove of the Article 370 bills to the Rajya Sabha. On August 5, 2009, the Home Minister Amit Shah introduced the Jammu Kashmir Recognition Bill 2009. Introduced the Jammu Kashmir Reorganization Bill, Jammu Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2019 to remove the Article 370, or 35A in the Rajya Sabha. Okay. Next one is Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmir came into existence. Jammu and Kashmir came into existence on 31st October. Jammu and Kashmir came into existence on 31st October 2019. As two union territories. Jammu and Kashmir divided into two union territories like Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir came into existence on 31st October 2019. On 31st October 2019, as two union territories, divided into two union territories like Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay. Next one. Girish Chandra Murmu become the first Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Girish Chandra Murmu of Odisha become the first Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. And Radhakrishna Mathur become the first Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. Radhakrishna Mathur, first Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. Okay. Next one is goods and service tax. Okay. GST implement in India. GST, good and service tax implement in India 1st July 2017. GST implemented in India 1st July 2017. Okay. GST Day is celebrated in India 1st July. GST Day is celebrated in India on 1st July. Full form of the GST. Full form of the GST. Good and Service Tax. Goods and Service Tax. Okay. Next one is the 122 second Constitutional Amendment Act. 122nd Constitutional Amendment Act of the Bill for the GST was introduced in the Parliament in 2014. In 2014, 122nd Constitutional Amendment Bill for GST. Constitutional Amendment Bill for GST was introduced in the Parliament in 2014. Was introduced in Parliament in 2014. Okay. Next one is President gave his assent. President gave his assent to the GST bill on 8 September 2016. President gave his assent on GST bill 8 September 2016. Okay. Next one. GST was implemented. GST was implemented on 101st Constitutional Amendment Act. GST was implemented in the 101st Constitutional Amendment Act. Okay. Next one. There is a total 15-digit GST registration number. There is a total 15-digit GST registration number. GST number 15 डिजिट का नंबर है. जीएसटी का जो नंबर है 15 डिजिट का नंबर है. ओके. रेट फिक्स्ड फॉर जीएसटी. जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया फिक्स द रेट ऑफ जीएसटी. द रेट फिक्स्ड फॉर द जीएसटी गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स. गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Last one is the 28%. 5%, 12%, 18% and last one is the 28%. Okay. GST fixed rate. Gross goods and service tax rate. Okay. Last one is state GST. State GST. State goods and service tax. States goods and service tax. States goods and service tax. State GST. Okay. Next one is the inquiry committee. Next one is the inquiry committee. Okay. First one is the committee to investigate Lakhimpur Khetri incident. Committee to investigate the Lakhimpur Khetri incident. Lakhimpur Khetri incident committee chairman Pradeep Srivastava. Chairman is the Pradeep Srivastava. Committee to investigate Lakhimpur Khetri incident chairman Pradeep Srivastava. Chairman is the Pradeep Srivastava. Okay. Next, committee to investigate DTC bus purposes processes. Committee to investigate DTC bus purchases. Committee to investigate DTC Delhi Transport Corporations bus purposes processes. OP Agrawal. Committee for the protections of language culture. Committee for the protections of language culture and land of Ladakh. Language culture and land of Ladakh. Chairman G. Kishan Reddy. Chairman is the G. Kishan Reddy. Okay. Next one, committee for the 125th birth anniversary. Committee for 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Committee for 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Chairman PM Modi. Chairman is the PM Modi. Okay. Committee for 125th birth anniversary of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Chairman Prime Minister Modi. Okay. Next one, committee to celebrate 75th anniversary of the independence. Committee to celebrate 75th anniversary of the independence. Chairman Prime Minister Modi. Chairman is the Prime Minister Modi. Next one is Committee for TRP Calculation. Committee for TRP Calculation. Committee for TRP Calculation is the Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Committee for TRP Calculation is the Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Okay. Next, Committee to Improve Urban Planning. Committee to Improve Urban Planning. Committee to Improve Urban Planning Education System. Committee to Improve Urban Planning Education System. Chairman Rajiv Kumar. Chairman is the Rajiv Kumar. Committee to Improve Urban Planning Education System. Chairman is Rajiv Kumar. Okay. Expert Committee on Stressed Asset. Expert Committee on Stressed Asset. Chairman K.V. Kamath. Expert Committee on Stressed Asset. Expert Committee on Stressed Asset. Chairman K.V. Kamath. Okay. Committee for the Welfare of the Freedom Fighter. Committee for the Welfare of the Freedom Fighter. Committee for the Welfare of the Freedom Fighter. J. Kishan Reddy. G. Kishan Reddy. Committee for the Welfare of the Freedom Fighter. G. Kishan Reddy. Committee for the Welfare of the Freedom Fighter. G. Kishan Reddy. Okay. Next one is the Committee to Monitor Stubble Burning. Committee to Monitor Stubble Burning. Madan B. Lokar. Madan B. Lokar. Madan B. Lokar. Chairman of the Empowered Panel set up for the COVID-19 vaccine. Chairman of the Empowered Panel. Chairman of the Empowered Panel set up for the COVID-19 vaccine. R.S. Sharma. R.S. Sharma. Committee Chairman of the Empowered Panel set up for the COVID-19 vaccines. R.S. Sharma. Okay. Next one is Ajay Bhal Committee. Ajay Bhal Committee to examine the Chinese investment. Ajay Bhal Committee to investigate the Chinese investment. Investigate the Chinese investment. Ajay Bhal Committee to investigate the Chinese investment or to examine the Chinese investment. Okay. National Sports Award 2020 Selection Committee. National Sports Award 2020 Selection Committee. Chairman Mukundakam Sharma. Chairman Mukundakam Sharma. Chairman Mukundakam Sharma. National Sports Award 2020. National Sports Award 2020 Selection Committee. Chairman Mukundadam Sharma. Mukundadam Sharma. Okay. Expert Committee to study COVID-19. Expert Committee to study COVID-19 vaccine. COVID-19 impact of human rights. Impact of the human right. Chairman Dr. K.S. Reddy. Chairman is the Dr. K.S. Reddy. Okay. Expert Committee to study COVID-19 impact. COVID-19 impact of human rights. Chairman is the Dr. K.S. Reddy. Okay. Next one is the National Education Policy 2020. National Education Policy 2020. Dr. K. Kasturirangan. National Education Policy 2020. Dr. K. Kasturirangan. Okay. Next one is the SCL Das Committee. SCL Das Committee, Assam Oil of India. SCL Das Committee, Assam Oil of India. Okay. Pranab Sen Committee. Pranab Sen Committee. Preventing political interference in government figures. Prevention of the political interference of the government figures. Pranab Sen Committee. Pranab Sen Committee is the preventing the political interference in the government figure. Okay. Next one, the K.V. Kamath Committee. K.V. Kamath Committee parameter for the financial COVID-19. K.V. Kamath Committee parameter of the financial COVID-19. Parameter for financial COVID-19. K.V. Kamath Committee. K.V. Kamath Committee is the parameter of the financial COVID-19 vaccine. Okay. This is the inquiry committee of our country. Okay. Thanks all of you. Please share, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.